Did you know Google Chrome may automatically send usage statistics and crash reports in the background? If you want a little more privacy and less background data sharing, you can turn this feature off in just a few quick steps. First, open Google Chrome on your device. Now click on the three-dot menu in the top corner of the browser. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Once you're inside the Settings page, look for Google Services or Services in Sync, depending on your version of Chrome. Tap on it to open more options. Now scroll down until you find the setting called Help Improve Chrome's Features and Performance. When this option is enabled, Chrome may automatically send usage statistics, crash reports, and diagnostic information to Google to help improve the browser. If you prefer more privacy and don't want Chrome sharing that data automatically, simply turn the toggle switch off. Your changes will save instantly. A small privacy setting that many users never notice, but it gives you a bit more control over what your browser sends in the background.